a method how to solve magic squares. In our day-to-day studies, these things don't come. But if ever we go for maths Olympiads, they check our higher level thinking, higher order thinking. I would suggest there are a couple of methods to solve. I'll just brief you about two of them right now. The first method is very simple. If you remember this, Heb, Sig, Fad. Just remember this, HEBCIGFAD, and simply learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A magic square is where you have to fill digits 1 to 9. A digit shouldn't be repeated ever. 1 can only come once. A 5 can be seen only once. If you add it from any side, it should add up to a 15. Horizontally, vertically, diagonally, if you add it up, it should give a 15. 1 to 9, I have to fill it up. From any side if I add, it should add up to a 15. Let's see. This is the first method which can be called as Heb, Sig, Fad method. Simply 1, 2, 3, 4 to 9, we have just arranged it. Heb, Sig, Fad, it stands for H's value is 1, E is 2. Remember this. And I have written A, B, C, D in the same form. You can also remember A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now, if I put back the values of this, it will solve my magic squares. A, I find A, the value is 8. B, if I were to look up here, it is a 3. C gives a value of 4. D is a 9. E is 2. F says it's 7. G is a 6. H, I can say it's a 1. And I is a 5. My magic squares is over. If I were to add it up, let's see, the answer is coming to 15. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. If I add from this side, 9 plus 6 is also 15. If I add it diagonally, it's a 7 and a 8, it's a 15. If I add this side, it is also giving me a 15. I can say my magic square is absolutely correct. No one can tell my magic square is wrong. So what is the method called? Heb, Sig, Fad. I just learned this sentence. Simple numbering 1 to 9. I'll write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and the corresponding values are here. I'll just put it back. If I add it up, I can see my answer is absolutely correct. This is one method. Another method can be this, a ready reckoner kind of thing. Only thing, you have to remember this small table. These are represented. Sn is written, that means the smallest number, which is a 1. Middle number is 5 and largest number will be 9. So just remember this, minus 1 from largest number. My largest number is a 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Smallest number is a 1. Middle number will be 5. The largest number will be 9. Now few more boxes are to be filled. Plus 3 from the smallest number. I know my smallest number is 1. So 1 plus another 3 will give me a 4. Plus 1 from the smallest number. Plus 1 from the smallest number. So 1 plus 1 gives me a 2. Minus 2 from the largest number. I know my biggest number is 9. So minus 2 gives me a 7. Minus 3 from the largest number. It's a 6. 9 minus 3 is a 6. Now this is left. Plus 2 from the smallest number. Sn stands for smallest number. So 1 plus 2 is a 3. Let's check it out. 11 plus 4, it's a 15. 11 plus 4, another 15. From this side it's correct. If I add this up, 7 plus 8, it's a 15. If I add from this side, it's 15. If I add 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15. I've solved it. It shouldn't take more than few seconds, I believe, if you have understood this. The first method to solve is Heb, Sig, Fad, and the other one, a ready reckoner by Just doing simple things, -1, +2, +3, you can solve it in few seconds.